Uh-huh. It's about to go down. That's Lily, guys. Yes, NZP is a very tricky, out is a very tricky currency, guys. So you can never know. You will never know. So whatever the case may be, but we all in, about all in, die hard. It's either you lose or you win. It's it. All in, all in. But it can reject at any time. I know. I know. Let's leave it.